I will tell you, I think just as important, Becky, as the actual inflation data is the inflation expectations data. That's, I think, an important reason why the Powell Fed has not signaled more of an inclination to cut rates, what some call a good news rate cut. There's no doubt that if the economy craters, unemployment goes up, GDP contracts again, that I think they'll be cutting. The question is, do we get what I call a good news cut out of the Fed? And I think an important reason that we haven't got that signal is they are concerned about inflation expectations because the last 4 years...
Consumers and businesses?
Businesses, not so much. Really, it's just in the financial markets, actually, if you look at the inflation in the financial markets predicted, it's basically at the 2% target in a couple of years. So it's really the 330 million people who are not economists or people on Wall Street, and those surveys have ratcheted
So it
up.
is the media's fault.
No.
Are we getting back to this? Like, why do consumers feel this way? Do they feel this because of what they see on the news, or do they feel this because of what they've just lived through with inflationary pressures?
I think it's more that they've lived through a period. And look, for a lot of folks, economists talk about inflation, change in prices, but what most folks know is that the cost of a Big Mac's 30% more than it was 5 years ago.
Go to the grocery store.